Hello everyone, there is a big update from TCS. TCS is still sending survey mail and still sending interview mail. I'll show screenshot in this video. Also, we will talk about how much score is sufficient to get this survey mail and what are the eligibility criteria to get this survey mail. So who will get this survey mail? Okay, so I'll talk in detail. So please watch this video till end. Also, we will talk about for those candidates who didn't receive survey mail and who are waiting for interview mail. I'll try to clear your all doubts in this video. So this video is very important. So let's get started. First, I want to show the screenshot of interview mail. Many candidates are receiving this interview mail. They are sending the interview mail and title is TCS interview opportunity participation, and this candidates received interview mail 3 days ago. Many candidates received this interview mail 3 days ago. Okay, this is the interview mail. Now let me show the survey mail. This candidate received survey mail yesterday in afternoon 1 p.m. Okay, this is the survey mail. The title is TCS is hiring BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA 2021 pass out batch. And okay, and last date to fill the survey form, let me zoom this. Last date to fill the survey form is 25th July. Today is 23rd July. So if you didn't receive any survey mail, you still have chance. Okay, so this process is a 1 month or 2 month long process. So this process will take time, much time. Okay, so you should wait. Okay, so please have patience, and I'll discuss in this video what is the eligibility criteria. So will you get interview mail, will you get interview or survey mail or not? Okay, I'll discuss the interview eligibility criteria in this video. Now let me show the next screenshot. This is the screenshot this candidate also received yesterday, the interview process. Interview mail. Okay, this is interview mail. So many candidates are receiving interview mail, survey mail. Okay, now let me discuss the eligibility criteria. So this is the eligibility criteria. So first eligibility criteria is you should have 60% throughout the academics. Okay, in 10th, 12th and in your graduation you should have at least 65%. And if you talk about NQT score, then you should have at least 60% marks in NQT, or if you convert 60% in scores, then you should have at least 1080 marks out of 1800. This is the criteria, but there are many candidates who have less than 1080 marks but still received survey mail. Okay, so if you have at least 60% marks or at least 1080 marks, then you will definitely get survey mail. Okay, so there are many candidates who received this survey mail after having only 55% marks. So TCS is sending survey mail to those candidates also, but they put the criteria is this. Okay, and now next criteria is candidates should have IT programming scorecard. Okay, IT programming scorecard, and candidates should have cognitive and scorecard. Okay, these are the two main criteria. Many candidates have more than 80% marks in cognitive, but they don't have IT programming score. That's why they are not getting survey mail. Okay, and if you are planning to conduct if you are planning to give August NQT, then you must give 3 exams. First one is cognitive NQT, second one is IT programming, and third one is psychometric test. Now psychometric test is compulsory. Okay, for TCS, if you want to place in TCS, then psychometric is compulsory. So 3 exams are compulsory: cognitive NQT, IT programming, and psychometric. I already explained these things in my previous video. Okay, and now let's move to next criteria. Next criteria should be year of passing should be 2021 only. Only 2021 pass out batch is are getting this survey mail. For now TCS is sending this survey mail only 2021 pass out batch. After that they will send 2019 and 2020 candidates. Okay, and qualification should be BE, BTech, ME, MTech or MCA. If you fulfill these 6 criteria, then you will definitely going to get survey mail within 1 month, 1 or 2 month, hardly 2 month, but you will definitely get your survey mail within 1 month. And if you received survey mail and if you filled your all details correctly, then you will definitely get 100%, you will get your interview mail. So please keep preparing for interview. Okay, TCS interview, keep preparing. And now let me tell you one more thing. When you'll search my channel on on YouTube, then you'll find this page. Okay, this is my YouTube channel, and when you'll click on the community, then you will get this survey form. Today 4 hour ago I did a survey, and in that survey till now 69 candidates did vote. And uh, according to that vote, if you talk about, there are 51% candidates who did not receive survey mail. Okay, there are 51% candidates, means there are more than 50% candidates who did not receive survey mail. So if you didn't receive survey mail, don't worry, if you fulfill the previous criteria, then you'll definitely get survey mail. Okay. And there are 38% candidates who filled survey mail but didn't receive interview mail. So don't worry, if you filled survey mail and with correct information, then you'll definitely get interview mail. Just keep preparing for interview. And there are only 10% candidates who filled the survey mail and got interview mail. Okay, only few percent, only 10% candidates. So this is the observation. And please, if you didn't vote yet, please vote this, so that uh, I can know more details about that. Okay. And yeah, I think I discussed all things. Yeah, if you fulfill all the criteria, then you will definitely get survey mail and interview mail. So please have patience, and good luck for your exam. Okay, for your interview. And if you have any doubt, please ask in comment box. If you didn't join our telegram channel yet,